As the foot type in our video has said, the hurricane that threatened to Jamaica right now, I gotta send it to destroy Jamaica because them a dude up in place and him want the hurricane to destroy Jamaica. And I ask him what kind of heart you have in your youth. My people, let's pray for our loved ones and for our beautiful islands and all the Jamaican people for their protection throughout this rough time within the storm. Make me reason with a little foot hype. Foota, you not think it would be wiser to ask God to change the lives of the fish them in Jamaica rather than to send a storm to destroy Jamaica with your family and my family and all Jamaicans who live at Jamaica. Brethren, I need to kick back and hold a proper meds in a fire. Why would this God send a storm to mash up Jamaica and tomorrow when the place mash up and people lost them life? You still are going to see swim around people walking up and down. Let me make this clear to you. Me, as a Jamaican, me not support certain things we are going to Jamaica with them lean up thing there. But one thing, me cannot overstand a God who would send a hurricane to Jamaica to destroy it because of some people, them call them fish. But yet still, when the hurricane pass and gone, a pure havoc and decadence and devastation, and a pure straight people house blow down, and a pure straight people lost them life right in the storm. Me, I tell us that now make no sense to me. Why foot hype? I pure death and destruction, me say I call on Jamaica. Youth man, go in your brain, go think again. Me can't understand how a man like the I, living at the epicenter of swim around people in America, and I say them thing about Jamaica, that you want stand to mash it up because of them swim around people. Where you there is the epicenter of swim around people. How can you say that about Iron Island, say you want stand to mash it up? You want God to mash it up. And you not been with nobody down there, not even your family them. And what kind of meds you old brethren? Not even your family them, your children, your loved ones. Eh? You not business with? You not been with Jamaica none at all. So what you doing in America then? So you been with America. Eh? The place where you're there, the epicenter of swim around people. Eh? You been with this, sir. So you left Jamaica, where there is a handful of swim around people, and God and the nest of the swim around people. I pray for God and I evoke God to come mash up Jamaica because of some swim around people. What do I deal with fire? Eh? What do I deal with? Foot hype. Me! Shocking Morris said that.